Okay, just going to pause that there and sort of explain very quickly what you probably saw there. KITT listens to noise and tries to do a little bit of a thought process there to try and determine what or who could be making that noise. Now, a lot of that sort of depends on conditions, and I'll show you a condition in a second here. I'll just run this here by again here, get it started again here for you. Hey, KITT.
Yes, Michael.
I forgot what I was going to say, pal.
Michael, really?
Hey, KITT.
What, Michael?
I'll be right back, pal.
Whatever you say, Michael.
Okay, just going to pause that there for a second and just sort of explain. By saying that I will be right back has changed the condition of something. I won't get too much into the weeds of saying what it's changed, but basically it's changed the condition in an enum state from has shown up, meaning me, to has stepped away for a short time, because I basically said I'm going to be right back. So let's see how this scenario plays out like that. Okay.
Michael, is that you?
Who else would it be, KITT?
I'm glad to hear that.
Okay, see, that also rechanged the condition back to I've shown up again. So, hey, KITT. Hey, KITT.
Yes, Michael.
I'll be right back, pal.
I certainly hope so.
Thanks, KITT.
My pleasure.
Okay, the condition has changed again. It's going to rustle some paper.
Michael, is that you?
I'm back, pal.
How did it go, Michael?
It went very well, Kit.
I certainly hope so.
Okay. So, hopefully you know what's going on there and found that interesting. So for scripted thinking process and scripted conversation, it's like, that's not too bad, huh? At least I don't think so. Gives a little bit of decision making in there and a bit of a thought process. And whether you noticed or not, you can see how that sort of piqued some of his emotional points there too.